This video is to accompany the GM recall example from week 3 and the calculations of the confidence interval for the means. First step, here we are in MyMathLab. Click on StatCrunch. Two options will pop up. As soon as they pop up, really either one will be fine. Two links. Top one is usually the fastest. Datasets from your textbook. Even though we're not using a dataset from the textbook, we'll just go ahead and click on that. Boom. Here we are. We want to do stats. This is t-statistics, and they're t-statistics because we do not know the population standard deviation. One sample, and it's one sample because we're only working with one sample, one population, one group. We're not comparing two different groups. And we're doing this with summary. We don't have the original data, we just have X bar, S, and N. Click on that. This window pops up. Space for X bar, S, and N. Just plug in the information. 14.41 centimeters. Sample standard deviation was 0.2 centimeters, and the sample size was 30. Next. Hypothesis testing will come next week. Confidence interval this week. By default, I usually work with the 95% confidence interval because my alpha, which we'll learn about next week, is usually 5%. 95% plus 5% equals 100%. And calculate. Here's what pops up. Sample mean, which we inputted already, 14.41. It's just telling us again so that we can be sure that we put in the correct information. Standard error is just S divided by the square root of N. Degrees of freedom, when we're dealing with one population, degrees of freedom will be the sample size minus 1. And we got the lower limit and the upper limit. And that's all there is to it. Hope this was helpful.